I think honestly, god damn it, bro.
No.
I hate working on that damn car. I'm using the tiniest fucking screws.
Huh?
Okay, so ya me corté.
What up? Oh, the screw's coming off instead of the freaking, instead of the scene in the clamp.
Yes.
Just take out the screw.
I want to lose that.
The hell? Oh.
Yeah.
What to do with that?
Just taking everything apart.
Cool. You're gonna take off every millimeter bolt.
My radiator cap that I bought in Japan didn't fit.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, he's gonna help me.
Hey.
You look prepared, Adrian? You know?
Oh, no.
There it is. Twist it first. Oh, there you go. Hey, careful, dude. Watch him break his arm. He's gonna snap like a twig.
Ah! Just tell you like a twig, bro.
Oh, the wiring?
Yeah, right.
Oh, is this hanging there? Oh.
He doesn't have
The other one?
fancy.
The other one? In the middle?
Oh, this thing's hot, dude.
Good.
Ah?
That's it?
That's it, baby.
Alright, guys, goodbye.
Oh, fuck. Las plantas. Maximum cooling. Measuring flavors.
Wait, what's the brand?
The brand is
Max Speedy Rod?
Amazon
Rod?
generic, right?
Their oil. You also got Amazon generic coolant.
Nope. Nope.
Feel my guy?
More over there. More over there. More over there. More
You tell them, Adrian. You tell them.
inside, dude. Inside. What do you mean inside? Right there, like pushing more inside.
Tell them, Adrian. You tell them.
What do you mean like that, bro?
Nah, dude.
I thought V-mount.
Yeah, you think I should do it like this or with the rubber?
Hold up. I think I have to take out the rubbers.
The ruby?
What am I?
Alright, take it out.
Never mind.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Alright, take it out.
What am I rubbing?
Alright, take it out.
Yes, I got you.
You want to compare radiators?
Put the rubbers on.
I know. Buy Amazon. I mean, Courier.
Look at it.
What are you doing?
Hold it. Oh, it wasn't even tight.
Careful, don't over tighten it. Oh my god.
Strips. Permanent leak.
Oh, sorry.
And that's.
Hit on it.
What's your first?
It was this thing.
What's up the World War II hammer?
No verga. No mames. Amazon quality.
It looks painted, dude.
But it probably is painted.
It is painted. I could tell.
Yeah, it's clean. I mean,
Even mine's not painted.
You already fucked it up?
it's hitting.
You have to take out that battery, dude.
You have to
get a new one, dude.
It's not even a battery. Wait, is it really hitting? No.
More over here.
It was hitting?
Hey, Adrian, you gotta guide me with your hands too.
Just over here.
Just hold it away from the bottom.
I can't reach.
Can they?
Losing. Right there. You fucked it up. That's gonna be easier.
Yeah, but you gotta look at this side too.
You look at this side, I look at this side.
Easiest install.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut this with the grinder. Take it out.
There's something over here, dude.
Yeah, it's hitting.
Oh, it's hitting this. What's up the grinder?
Oh, yeah. The hammer, dude. The hammer.
I don't think I got it.
What's up the grinder, bro?
Like a pinche radiator.
Nah, just to get the hammer. Hammer that in.
Hey, bro, my friend is.
Nah, I'm gonna do it. Amazon Slack. He said I'll be done by now.
Hey, what was the brand of that? Was it Toyo Red?
David. Stop secret, David. Maybe we're putting the worm on backwards.
Look how big that is, dude.
Thump.
I put it.
It's longer.
Did you get to me?
You could just probably put these first in.
Yeah, that's the same.
Try that.
Yeah, I don't have that much footage. So I did it.
You have to come back tomorrow, dude. Alright, stop. You have to come back tomorrow.
Next day later. Have a little cutout for the resident.
Yeah? Rocky, who? That's part of the chassis now?
I told you, dude, take out the rubber on the bottom.
Just on one side.
Alright, close the hood.
Little nipple.
You don't need it.
Close the hood.
Is it?
Close the hood.
Chu.
You do it, you do it, you do it.
Uno, dos, tres.
Little nipple, really.
Alright, now open it.
Alright, guys. I mean, this guy's. I gotta put the coolant.
Ah, wait, what is it?
Yeah, it's a new sticker.
Huh?
The red one.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
Flip loose.
find them out.
No, I was gonna say that. What?
You're also not ready.
Straight.
Yeah, rest in peace, Chad. I got touched by a watch.
Yeah, you can rear mount that one.
It's not gonna fit, bro.
Why?
These are two. Look, watch.
You're too narrow?
Right here. These are two, like, in. I gotta, like.
Bust it out.
Is it show? Is it
No,
tearing?
hombre,
Doesn't
Rocky.
want to.
Todas fuerzas, no, Rocky.
I think my HK is going to fit.
This is for a real radiator, dude.
You're right.
That one over. He's right there. It's a little too big here, but.
I need one too.
No.
Fucking ready?
Your radiator's all fucked up.
Dude, I know. Damn, an idiot, bro.
What
Zip tie
I
'em?
should have put like the hose, the wires first. Get me?
Yeah, I get you.
So let's start over.
I mean, it's not that. Yeah, let's do that. No, I'll do it.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna.
We'll be right back.
Fuck like this.
You're right, Rocky.
I am?
What would I do without you?
The wire tuck God?
Not about that.
No, he just like stuffs everything in front under his headlights.
Where's the bolt?
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Everything inside there.
It's right there.
You look at the shocks, you can see all the wires. Just cut them, put them around.
We know about that wire toy, David.
Let me show you. See that 240 over there? It's fine. It's fine. We can rewire them.
No, I meant the wires.
Woo!
El otro?
It looks what? Lower?
It is
It's
hitting.
because this side before was behind this radiator,
Oh.
and now it's on the other side.
You're right.
Did you put it in like this? Maybe you're supposed to put it in. Because you only hit that side. You didn't hit
Yeah.
this side.
It's like brakes. No matter how close it is, it's never gonna hit unless you
Yeah.
start flexing everything.
I mean, I guess I'll leave it like that.
Now roll to the clip where the fan destroys the radiator in Columbus.
Oh, that went in my mouth. This is
Where's the clamp?
Just flying it up.
Oh my god, that all went in my mouth.
Dude, go rinse it.
Tastes sweet, right?
I think I already swallowed
That
everything.
shit's bad for you.
No, wait, come on, let's.
What would be perfect, but?
There you go.
I can see you.
This one a little bit. Un poquito. Ah!
Oh, wait.
No. Concentrated or what?
What?
It is.
It's leaking.
You gotta leak it.
Well, you poured it.
Did you already?
It came out through the top.
You gotta leak already.
Yeah, keep it through the sides. Go slowly.
Hey, it's leaking from the plug.
Dude, yeah, I'm telling you, it's leaking right here.
Are you serious? Where's it leaking?
Right here.
From the plug.
Like, put it here and this thing, like, when it overfills.
You're probably holding it too far down. Pick it up a little.
Yeah, Adrian.
Wow. Wow.
Échale.
No, they're still leaking.
Oh.
It's 'cause it's too much at a time.
See, it's not my fault. It's your fault.
Just rinse them. Yeah, that's exciting.
Con la manguera.
Préndelo already.
You should be
But slow.
Turn it on.
Goop, 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 goop.
Turn it on.
Because it hits
Turn
the
on.
sides so that
Hey, Jimmy Oak challenge.
What?
You gotta go.
You know what?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Don't give it up. This shit is fun.
Hey, how much was this? So I can buy it off.
it's because it's stained.
It was like $3.
You see how it opens up? So it splashes around.
What?
It hits this,
Oh, yeah,
it
this.
splashes up. That's why.
Say no more, boys and girls.
Hey, is that too dirty?
Christian cutter too.
Can we go?
Yeah, no que no.
It's leaking right there.
No, it's not.
This.
Is it Liz?
Oh, there's leaking. Échale, 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 échale. Échale,
I thought I saw the fucking little.
Tú échale, tú échale.
I mean, it's not gonna fit through there, the little hole.
Chill.
No que leche.
Look at leche.
Leche?
I need to put water.
Oh yeah, put water.
Yeah?
He's overheating.
You're eating, dude. Échale.
It looks like it's like underneath 180. Yeah, 180.
A rag.
Yeah, I clean it up, clean it up.
On-demand works for banking too. With the Wells Fargo mobile app, you can deposit checks by phone, then get back to your on-demand videos. Click to explore mobile banking options. Some accounts aren't eligible for mobile deposit. Availability may be affected by your mobile carrier's coverage area. Your mobile carrier's message and data rates may apply. Wells Fargo Bank N.A. Member FDIC.
Let's go monkey